Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 10 unique and not yet oversaturated digital products that you could be selling on Etsy. Digital products are, in my opinion, one of the best ways to go if you are looking for a passive income stream that you can do from home on a computer and on your own time. Whether you want to make a little bit of money or a lot of money, digital products are one of the best ways to do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the list because I know that's why y'all are here. So let's go. Digital product number one is customized children activity sheets. These are activity sheets that can be used by parents or by teachers. They tend to be activities that are centered around education and learning. If you are really great with a particular style subject, or perhaps you were a teacher in the past, or you feel like you just have the knowledge on these different types of subjects, creating different resources around those that parents and educators can use to help their children develop those skills is going to be a fantastic tool to sell on Etsy. I know I was a full-time nanny back in college, and I had several nanny families that would look for these workbooks and educational tools for their kids to do as homework or use in the evening or even during the summer to brush up and keep their skills fresh. These activities don't have to be super plain and boring. They could be very fun and exciting. You can definitely get creative with this, and you can sell it as an individual item or as a bundle, which are both really great options if you're looking for a different variety of product. Digital product idea number two is actually going to be recipe ebooks. This is one that I actually don't see a ton on Etsy yet, but I think would be a very unique and interesting resource to offer as a digital product. These recipe books could be based off of a particular style of diet or lifestyle, or just a particular style of food, culture, family, countries, etc. You can get incredibly creative by compiling a list of different recipes that even you yourself personally use. They could be healthy, it could be sweets. I mean, the options out there are insane. And creating a recipe ebook, there are a ton of templates out there for you to just copy and use so that you could then just input your items quickly and efficiently and create those recipe ebooks very quickly. This would pair really well with creating social media content. So if you're someone who's in that kind of like food and fitness influencer stage and you're looking for a digital product for yourself to sell, this would be a great option for you. The third digital product idea that I would sell would be a bundle of decorations for events or parties, specifically children's themed parties. I know a lot of parents, like literally myself, my baby is about a year old and we're already coming up with a theme for his first year birthday party, and I'm looking on Etsy for these digital downloads, these templates that I can go in and customize and edit, and these types of things do fantastic on Etsy. If you could create a bundle of a variety of products that people can print out and customize at home and then individually break those up and sell them as individual listings as well, you'd be able to have a really great range of products in your shop for people to choose from. You could again do this for children's birthday parties. You could also do this for teachers' classroom decorations, or even just home decorations in general, or generalized party decor. The fourth digital product idea are going to be localized travel guides. If you are a person who likes to travel a lot, you've seen a lot of different cities, you can actually create these travel guides for people to quickly download and use on their next trip. You could feature different things like restaurants, locations to visit, or sightseeing, prices, hotels, and so much more. All these little tips and tricks for the traveling could be included in a downloadable PDF ebook that people can just quickly reference as they're going through this new city. The fifth digital product idea that I would recommend selling on Etsy would be the specialized study tools. If you have a lot of knowledge around a particular career that needs a lot of studying and studying aids and elements, for example, nurses. I know nurses have a lot of tools out there that they use to help them study for certain exams and tests, or to have as little kind of cheat sheets and cards that they can refer to once they're kind of in that training space. If you could replicate that for potentially another niche career that you feel like is really missing out on some of those helpful tool aids, then you should definitely be creating these types of products. This is something a lot of students are looking for whenever they're going through college, university, and then as they're going into their career field. It is so helpful to have these little tools and reminders, study aids, etc., to help them get through those tough times. So if you have the knowledge on a particular field or career, this is a fantastic opportunity for a digital product idea. I want to take a quick break in this video to let you guys know about my Etsy Beginner Master course that has just recently relaunched. This is a really great course if you are looking to get started on Etsy and you're a beginner and you really need those good basics and reminders to help you build a solid foundation for a strong shop. So if you are looking to start your digital digital shop and you're ready to get going and you want someone that's going to give you all the answers in one place, I'm going to have that linked up here for you guys, as well as down below and at the end of the video for you to go check out. Now let's get back to the ideas. The sixth digital product idea is going to be DIY home improvement and projects. Specifically, I love looking on Etsy for things that are DIY instructional videos on how to create something or even to do a particular DIY project. There are shops that create these kind of ebook template PDF printouts for how to create a piece of furniture or how to DIY your tiles in your bathroom, etc. And this would be great if you already have that knowledge and experience, or if you have that woodworking experience and let's say you wanted to sell furniture pieces, but maybe you didn't want to ship them. Well, if you could create these templates and instructional PDF booklets for people to download, you can create a great digital product that people can easily access at home and use when they need it. The seventh digital product idea that you could sell on Etsy would be digital scrapbooking kits. There is a large influx of women and men interested in this kind of junk journaling era where you collect memorabilia and little pieces of decorative pages or ribbons, etc. to decorate spreads as almost in a scrapbooking sort of way. You could create digital files that people can either A, cut out with a Cricut or Silhouette machine through a cut file that you would provide, or B, just a downloadable sheet that people can then print and hand cut out those images as well. You could source a collection of little pieces that would all match together to create a beautiful spread, or you could just do a variety of different things. You could get super creative with this. If you're into that kind of crafty art space, this would be a really great one for you. Number 8 would be a garden planning ebook or downloadable. This is a great resource that I have recently been looking into myself as well. I'm someone who does not have a green thumb, so I've been looking for these really cute little reference sheets on what different types of plants and things I could grow in our garden, and maybe offer a visual setup of where to plant the pieces and then what they need in order to maintain them, or instructions on how to start like a homegrown garden and how to set yours up. You could include DIY instructions for creating like a plant bed. You could do a breakdown of all the different types of materials and plants and what they're good for and where to put them. There's a ton of options out there. There are a lot of people who are getting into gardening and having those like home garden spaces now in their homes. And I think this would be a fantastic way to stand out and create a digital product for us. Again, especially if you have that knowledge already on hand about flowers and plants and gardening, etc. Digital product number 9 is going to be pretty much anything that you could create for readers or book lovers. So some different ideas would be a digital reading journal where people can track what books they've read, give them reviews, track how many stars they would rate it, etc. You could also create just like a sheet log tracker of which books you've read or which books you have and want to read. You could create sheets where people could like draw and create like journaling kind of spreads, etc. for the books that they've read. There are just a ton of ideas out there that you could do around reading and books. People are getting back into reading and reading has become very popular again, especially on TikTok. So having those cute little digital downloads that people could use while they're reading their fun books would also be a really great idea. And lastly, the 10th digital product idea for you guys is actually going to be a digital child storytime book. This could be a really fun tool to use and create through AI features like ChatGPT or even something like Midjourney, where you are creating artwork and a story to go along with it. You can offer these as just little ebook digital downloads, or you could offer them as different printables where people could color them in as you're reading the story. These I think would be really popular with young adults and children, and you could definitely create a book for any type of person or genre or niche or even holidays. Question of the day for you guys: which one of these digital product ideas was your favorite and that you think you might give a try on your shop? Let me know down below in the comments section. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Right here on the screen for you, I'm going to link you guys to another video where I talked about digital product ideas. So if you want some more, go and check out this one over here, along with an entire playlist full of small business tips if you guys are interested in just binge watching some more content. Down here, you guys are going to find my subscribe button if you want to stick around for new videos. And last but not least, I'm going to link you guys on over to my Etsy Beginners Master Course. This is going to be a really great and effective tool if you are looking to get started on Etsy, and especially if you have never started a shop before. Without further ado, guys, that's going to bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!